Hello students, welcome back to my channel Study with me. So today I'll explain the lesson plan of the chapter Weather and Climate of class 8th. Okay, so first we'll write all the instructional objectives related to Bloom's taxonomy. First we'll write remembering, in which first point we will be writing is students will be able to define climate and weather. Students will be able to list out major seasons in India. Next will be understanding. In these you can also write 1 point or 2 point, it depends on you. So in second understanding we will write students will be able to classify different seasons. Students will be able to compare weather and climate. After that, applying, students will be able to examine importance of weather and climate in human life. Students will be able to relate the seasons with real life. Next, analyzing, students will be able to analyze the features of climate conditions in India. And then students will be able to distinguish different seasons. Evaluating, the next heading is evaluating. Students will be able to justify the importance of rainfall in India, because we are talking about weather and climate. Then students will be able to tell about different seasons of India. Then we have the creating part. In this we will write students will be able to locate hot and cold regions in the map of India, and students will be able to tell about or signify the importance of each season in their life. Then we'll talk about the instructional aids. We'll write blackboard, chalk, duster, flashcards, etc. And then the teaching strategy, it will be lecture cum demonstration method and descriptive method. Then there will come previous knowledge assumed, where we'll write PT will assume that students are familiar with the names of seasons. Then previous knowledge testing, which I have kept easy so that students are really able to relate to them. In which season do we wear warm clothes? In which season do we wear cotton clothes? Easy. Then in which season do we use umbrellas and raincoats, so that students can relate. And what is climate? A problematic question. Then announcement of the topic. So students, today we will discuss about weather and climate in details. You can also write that if the students that the PT found students unable to answer the last question, so PT will announce the topic that today we will learn about weather and climate in details. Then we'll talk about the presentation and subject matter, pupil teachers activity, pupil activity, teaching aid and blackboard work. First we'll write the heading and we'll write the context from the NCERT. I'll read it out. Climate is the average weather condition like rainfall, temperature. PT activity, pupil teacher will give introduction about the topic and will pupil activity, students will listen carefully. Wind, etc. in a region for a long period of time. Write main points on the blackboard, and this is the blackboard work. Then the next heading will come weather. It is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall, sunshine, etc. And then we'll ask a question to relate or to keep them interested in the chapter. How is the weather outside? PT will answer cold or sunny or whatever it is outside the weather. Then we'll write PT will explain by showing flashcards and write on blackboard. You can make this flashcard where we'll show snowy, windy, rainy and sunny, and this is the blackboard work. Okay, then we'll write 4 major types of climates in India. First, cold weather or winter season. The sun rays do not fall directly in regional temperature. Temperature varies from 0 degree to 20 degrees. 22nd December is the shortest. And PT will explain the topic with the help of flashcards. Students will listen carefully. You can make this flashcard and explain it to the students of the snowman. It's called winter solstice. Then it will come hot weather, summer season. The sun rays fall directly on the regions. Temperature varies from 25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. It usually occurs from the month of March to June. Plain areas also receive dusty, hot and dry winds called Lu. 21st June is the longest day of the year. Then question, in which season do we eat ice cream? Students will reply summer season, and you can paste the related picture in this. PT will show a flashcard and explain the topic in detail. Students will listen carefully. And then it will come moon, rainy season. The winds blow. Question will ask and with the. Okay, the question will be, how do we measure our body temperature? Students will reply with the use of thermometer. Okay, so we're talking about monsoon or rainy season. The winds blow from the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea towards mainland and carry moisture with them. When these winds strike mountains, it causes rainfall. Rain gauge is used to measure rainfall. It is mainly from July to September, and you can paste the related flashcard picture. Then will come the autumn or the retreating monsoon. Wind moves back to back back to Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea from mainlands. The southern parts receive rainfall in the season, for example, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, etc. PT will define the autumn season and with the help of a flashcard write down the name of 4. Students will see the picture and listen carefully and write down main points. PT will show the flashcard. And then seasons occur in the month of October and November. Seasons on the blackboard in the notebook, and this is the blackboard work. Then the recapitulation that explain various seasons and draw the painting of 4 seasons. Describe in detail climate and weather. Then the homework, explain what is Lu in your own words. So this is it for the video. I hope you like my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want lesson plans on any other topic, you can surely comment and I'll try to make on it. Thank you. Bye bye.